Hello students, welcome to OnlyCUET. So in this video, I'll be recording the PYQ, that is 27th May 2023 Shift 1 paper. In this video, we're gonna be analyzing and we're gonna be solving all the questions, the quantitative aptitude as well as the logical reasoning. So let's directly start. If we'll talk about let's see the question number 5th. It says the letter L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T in that order is substituted by 9 integers 1 to 9 in that order. Okay. Now what it's saying is L, M, O, P, R, T, and they have the options of 1 to 9 numbers. One number is assigned to one letter. We don't know which number to which. Correct. Now it is saying 4 is assigned to P. Okay. So P has 4 number, that is it is already mentioned in the question. Now the difference between P and T is 5. It is saying the difference between the value which is assigned to P as well as the value which is assigned to T, the difference between them is 5. 5 difference. Now P is already 4. So T has to be 9. Then only 9 minus 4 will give me 5. Because it's a single digit number, we cannot have anything other than 9. We cannot have minus 1 either, because minus 1 is not something which is given us in the options. So the only possible option for letter T is 9. Understood? Now, the difference between N and T is 3. Now it says the letter N and the difference between letter T is 3. It can now the values of N can either be 12 or can be 6, but 12 is not among the options which have been given to us. So only letter 6 is possible. So N has 6 value. Now what is asked is what is the integer assigned to N? N has been assigned option B 6 number. Clear? Easy one. I hope you have been able to comprehend step by step. Now let's move on to the next one. It says, in the given question, find the water image of the word family. Water image, this is a very easy one. How you going to be doing it is write it like write family. Correct. Now, this is water. How the reflection would be? This would be the water image. Seeing the options, can you see option A? Because apart from that, in all the three, L is very different by what we actually. Only in option A, L is what we need, and rest also the all the alphabets are matching. So option A would be the correct answer. When we will be doing this in the class, we will analyze and we will see how actually we're gonna be focusing upon questions of water image, questions upon based upon folding up of a paper. We will be doing those. Now see, like question number 9. Choose the correct option after folding the figure along the dotted line. This is the dotted line. Correct. Now, if you fold it along the dotted line, how the image gonna hold up? That is something we have to make. Image would be somewhat like this, student. The square. Correct. And this would top it off. Now, looking at the options, do you see option A matching with the figure that I have made? Option correct answer. Question number 10. Based upon the topic, time and work, what exactly it is? Let us see. 3 men or 9 boys can finish up a work in 21 days, then in how many days 5 men and 6 boys finish the same work? Now see, let us assume the work of total work. Total work LCM time. So what is it? 3, 9, 1, 4 prime. So what I have assumed total. So now let us assume total work equal to 6. Okay. Now 3 men can finish the same work in 21 days. So if 63 uh, units are being done in 21 days, that means 3 units being done in 1 day by 6 men, by 3 men. That is 1 unit per day per man. Now, if I talk about boys, 963 on 21 will give me 3 unit. That is 1 unit per day per 3 set of boys. Correct? Now see, since I'm getting 1 unit of work as point of 1 boy, either you can use it as it is, or you could have taken instead of 63 total work to be 180. Then nothing would have come up in the fraction. But I'll do it using fraction and I'll solve. Now, 5 men and 6 boys. 1 man does the work in 1 unit of per day. 5 men will do 5 unit of work per day. Plus 6 boys. 3 boys does 1 unit. So 6 boys will do 2 units. That is 7 unit per day using the set of people that have been given. Total work is 63. 63 upon 7 will give me 9. That is in 9 days. 5 men and 6 boys will be able to finish the work. The correct answer would be option 9. I hope it's clear. Moving on to the next one now. The area of the largest circle. The area of the largest circle that can be drawn inside a rectangle with side 63 centimeter and 42 centimeter is the rectangle. Now it is saying what is the area of the largest circle that can be drawn. This maximum diameter, if I talk about the diameter, maximum diameter that can be there for the circle is 42. Beyond that, it won't fit. So if I draw a circle somewhat like this, and this radius would correct. Now what would be the area? Pi r, that is 21 into 21 is 441 plus 21, 51, 60, 460. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 8, 1, 4 3s are 12, 13. So 1386 centimeter square would be the area of the circle that can be fit inside this rectangle. So option A would be my correct answer, 1386 centimeter square. Now question number 13. If A is to B is half is 5 by 8. हमें this much is given to us. Now we need to find the ratios of A. How are we going to be doing that is, let's rationalize this. A is to B is half is to 5 by 8. So the LCM of 2 and 8 would be 8. That would be 4 is to. Similarly, LCM of 3 and 5 would be 15, 5, 12. So that means A to B to C would be 4 to 5 to 12. Let us see for the C is to D as well. M is 16, 12, D, 4 is to 5 is to 12 is to 15. That is 4 is to 5 is to 12 is to, oh, sorry, this is 5 itself. 4 is to 5 is to 12 is to 5. Option, sorry, options correct answer. Okay. Now looking at the last question for this. XY means delete the last letter. YZ hash, we'll talk this as YZ hash. Replace the fourth letter with the next in the alphabet. ZX hash means reverse the whole sequence of the letters. Then logical would be written as logical XY. XY means delete the last letter. That is, it will turn out to be O. Then YZ hash. YZ hash means replace the fourth letter with the next in O. I, after I is J. Then comes ZX hash. That is reverse the whole sequence of the letters. Okay. Would be the answer. Correct answer turns out to be option C. Question number 50. Mohit is 15th from right end in a row of 49 boys. What is his position from left? Calculate his position from the left end. Now C. We know rank from left plus rank from right class. Correct? Very small. Rank from last, rank right minus total number. His rank is 15th from right end. Rank from left minus equal to 49. Correct? Because total has been given 49. 15 minus 1 is 14. Rank from left would be 49 minus, that is, correct answer is option A, 35. Here. Now see, looking at the next one, question number 6. It says if A, 2A plus 3B, A plus 6, and B, 3A plus 4B, comma 2A plus 5 are 2 points, then the distance between the point A and point B. Distance between 2 points we have to find. Clearly note points is, if I'll just write down the formula. It is under root minus now using those values are 3A plus 4B minus plus 2A plus 5B minus, you have to find the values. 3A minus 2A is A, 4B minus 3B is plus B. A plus B plus 2A minus A plus 5B minus 6B is minus B. Correct? Now A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2ab plus square plus b square minus plus 2ab minus 2 gets cancelled. This turns out to be 2a square. So that is under root 2 comma square plus b. That is correct answer. I hope it now. Question number 70 or 70. What it says, the average of four numbers is 40. Let those four numbers be W, X, Y, Z. So 160. Why 160? Average is 40. So multiplied by 4 will give total sum 160. That is okay. And it also says the first number, that is W, is one third of the sum of the remaining. One third of the sum of remaining Y plus Z. Can I write this X plus Y plus Z as 160 minus W? W is one third of 160 minus 3W plus W equal to 160. 4W equal to 160. W equal to 40. What we have to find? First number, that is W that we have decided. First number is 40. Option. What is the correct answer that we have found? Okay. Moving on to the next number, question 18 says, pointing to a woman, Venus said, she is the daughter of the only child of my grandmother. How is the woman related to Venus? Venus said, Venus will always start blood relations with the point of person that we know. Venus is saying something about my grandmother, so we'll talk about her. Venus says she's the daughter of the only child of my grandmother. Grandmother, child, daughter. Up, what is asked? How is the woman? This woman is related to Venus. Sister. Option. My grandmother. Only child of my grandmother. Daughter of the only child of my grandmother. Clear? That is now what is asked is, which of these numbers is not a perfect cube? See, perfect cube it has been asked. Now look at option A, 6400. Automatically says to be the square of number 80. 80 will give me 400. That means 6400 is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect cube because it's already a perfect square. So option A is correct. Moving on to question number 21. We have to find the image in fourth. How are we going to be doing that as C? What we realize, after every two images, the rows shifts. Like X row went up after in the third one, and in the fifth one it again came down. So in the fourth one, X has to be above. So using that thing, eliminating option. Now this square, circle, triangle turns out to be square, triangle, circle, triangle, square. That is, this image goes to this, and this one goes here, and then this one goes. Correct? So using this logic, triangle will turn out to be the extreme right, then square, circle, triangle. Square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle. B is eliminated. Now see, X changing place. It was here, then it went here. Then the row shifted, it went up, then it has to be here, and then it will come down here. Correct? So that is x has to be here. What is the correct answer for that? Question number 22nd. Starting from point A, Kiana moves 20 meter till point C in northeast direction before turning to her right. 20 meter northeast direction. Point A till point. Then she turns towards her right and walks 20. Point B. How far is point A from point B? This is something we have to find. This is 90 degree. Just turning right with direction of 90. Now this is 90 degrees. So this is the Pythagoras hypotenuse. Pythagoras we can apply. That is 20 square plus 20. Let the side be x equal to, that is 400 square. 800 is equal to, that is root 2. 20 root 2 is option A. Correct answer would be. Now question number 23. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. Right angled. BC is 4 and angle C is 60. Then the length of AC. AC we have to find. Clearly, we'll have to apply trigonometric ratios into this. How are we going to be doing that is, we need the base as well as the hypotenuse. Now using Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole, you must be remembering this acronym that we learned in class 10th ratios. So cos would be the one giving me base and hypotenuse value. Base and hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. Now hypotenuse base is 2. Base is 4. So 4 into 2 is equal to hypotenuse, that is 8. So this value is here. Correct answer would be 23. Option D. Option D, the correct answer. Moving on to the next one. A certain code Almira is written as this. Which would be written as WLUA? Let's give it a try. I'll just plug in my laptop in the meantime. Right? Let us see. Certain code Almira is written as this. Which would be written as this. Now see, if we go from B to A, we have to minus 1. N to L will minus 2. P to M minus 3. Similarly, we're going to use the same logic here. D minus 1 is C. N minus 2. N minus 2 is L. C L. Option D is the only left because the word T is C. But our option has to start with CL. L is starting is only option D. So that is the only correct. Okay. Question number 26. 1 liter of water added to 5 liters of alcohol water solution having 40% alcohol. The strength of alcohol in the new solution. 1 liter of water is added to 5 liters of alcohol having 40% alcohol. So 5 liter of alcohol has 2 liter alcohol and 3 liter water. At 40% concentration of water. 2 liter alcohol, sorry. And we are adding 1 liter of water. So now 2 liter alcohol and 4 liter water is the 6 liter. The strength of the alcohol in the new solution, strength is 2 liter. upon 6 turns out to be 1 upon 3, turns out to be 33.33%. That is option correct answer. Very simple question. Next, the mean of observation. This is an incorrect one question because how many observations mean is talking about, it is not given. Okay, so we'll cancel this question. Let's look at the next one. 44% of 80% of a number is 686. What will be 15% of that number? Calculate. How we gonna be doing that is, let that number be 1000. 80% of a number, that would be 800x. 44% of this 800x, 320 plus 32, that is 352x, is equal to 664. X is equal to 6, correct? 3 or 2. 6 is 6. 3 1 1 5 7 8 4. X value turns out to be. Now what we need to find, 15% of this number would be 150x. 195. I just use that 0. 15 5 is 75. 5 7. 15 9s are 135 plus 42. 1 4. 1s are 50 plus 14 29. Total turns out to be 2925. That is option C. 2925 is the correct. Hope that's clear, everyone. Moving on to the next one. Yes. The given question, arrange the given words in the sequence they occur in the dictionary. Wound, writer, whiter, worse than worked. First of all, W O W R W O R. These are the 5 you have to arrange. A B C D E F G has to be 1. The sequence has to start with C. C on the option C is this. C, I don't need to look for the other thing. It has to start with WH because this is the first one that will come. Ascending order, right? The sequence in the occur in the dictionary, so WH would occur first. So option C is the correct answer. 32 also you have to leave. Look at question number 30. And one more, this 41 also will leave. I'll tell you why. 33 you do. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. We are throwing 2 dice. And what is the probability that the sum of the two numbers is 4? Sum is 4. We have to find the probability. So when can the sum be 4? Either it is 1 or 3, 3 or 1, and 2 and 2. Is there any other possibility to score 4 and 4? 4 and 0 is not an option because in dice we don't have a 0. So 3 are in our favor out of 36 options. That is 1 upon 12. Option 1 upon. Here, how many degrees does the minute hand cover in the same line in which the second hand covers 180 degrees? Second hand covering 180 degrees means half a minute. In 1 minute, minute hand covers 1 minute. Minute hand. Sorry, in 1 hour. 1 hour, minute hand covers 360 degrees. 60 is 360 degrees. 1 minute is 6 degrees. Half a minute is 3 degrees. Clear? This is a very interesting question. Question number 36. If a two-digit number units digit is 5 more than the tens digit, if 5 times the given number is 24 more than the 2 times the number obtained by interchanging the digits of the given number, the given number is, oh my god, this is, we'll decode, we'll break it in parts, and then we'll see. Before this question, I just need to understand one thing. If I have a number as 42, can I write it as 4 to 10 plus 2? Can I write that number as 4 into 10 plus 2? Correct? I can write it as 4 into 10 plus 2. Then, if you are clear with this, two-digit number, unit digit is 5 more than the tens digit. Let the tens digit be x, so unit digit would be x plus 5. Correct? If 5 times the given number, 5 times this number, minus 24, 2 times the reverse. Got the equation? Solve this. I can write this as 5, 10x plus x plus 5 minus equal to 10x plus x. That is 50, 11, 50, 5x plus 25 minus equal to 11, 22 x plus 100. Correct? Got this equation? 22x would be subtracted from 55 will give me 33x is equal to 100 minus 25 minus 24, 1. That is 99. So x is equal to 3. So if x is equal to 3, the other digit has to be 3 plus 5, that is 8. The number is 30, which is option. Clear, guys? I hope this is no issues with this. Done? Let's look at the next. Question number 39. It talks about which of the following shows the relationship between the sun, the earth, and correct? The universe, it's a universal set. Sun, earth, Jupiter, all part of universe. So this is that shows universe. There is sun, then there is earth, all part of this. 39th correct answer is question number 40. Find the area of 4 walls of a room having length this, breadth this. You're not able to understand this. It's four. Imagine your like I am there in this. So I will imagine myself in. Now I this is the length. I have to multiply it by height. This is the breadth. I have to multiply it by height and twice. Same logic applying it here. 12.5 to height 2 plus 9, 7, 7 into 2, 14, comma 12.5 plus 9, 14 5s are 70, 0, 7, 14 1s are 14, plus 7, 21, 2, 14 to the 28, plus 2. That is 301 meter square. Now see, question number 41. The question is absolutely clear, but there is differences in options. His correct answer is PR square on 100. Don't have that in the option. That is why I told you to mark it in. Question number 42. If the radius of a sphere is increased by 50%, the surface area will. If I am increasing the radius by 50%, by how much the sphere will increase? Will increase by 125. Let us see how. I remember this answer, but how are we going to? Square area is 4 pi r square. let the radius be r, so the area is 4 pi r square. But now the radius has been increased by 50%. It the radius 1.5 r. So 4 pi 1.5 r 1.5 r will give 2.25 4 pi r square. Now the radius has area has been increased 2.25 into 4 pi r square. Difference, need to find the difference. Give me 1.25 100. That is 100. And how I got this 1.25? If you are not able to understand, I'll do it. What is the difference of the area? This is 2.25 divided by 4 pi r square minus 4 pi on 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square common. So 4 pi r square bracket 2.25 minus 1 on 4 pi r square. Cancelling this 2.25 minus 1, 1.25. 1.25 into 100 is 120. Option B. I hope I am clear now, guys. Question number 40. Based upon the 44, based upon the topic calendar. The first year, 1996. In the year 1996, Republic Day was celebrated on Friday. We all should know when our Republic Day is of January. 26th Jan is on which day the independence was celebrated in the year 2000. 15th 2000. Have to calculate which day is that. Before that, let us calculate 26 Jan 2000. Let us calculate that day. How are we gonna be doing that is from 1996 to 2000, we have 2 odd days of 96 by 2 because it's a leap year. Gives me 2 odd days. 97 1 1 9 1. There are 5 odd days. Friday with 5 odd days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This turns out to be Wednesday. Okay. Now from 26 Jan till 15th August, how many odd days? 5 odd days of January, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. February, 1 odd day. It's in a leap year. March, April, May, January, February, March, April, May, July, August, right? All 5, all 50. Now see, cancelling this 5 plus 2, 3 plus 3. Why? Cancelling in the triples of 7. 15 plus 5, 20. That is 6 odd days. Wednesday, 6 odd days after Wednesday turns out to be Tuesday. So 15th August 2000 turns out to be a Tuesday. Option B. Clear? Question number 45th. We have to find the mirror image of this. The mirror image, if we have to find, there is this mirror. The image would start from here. Start from here. Not incorrect or correct. Now the mirror. Correct. Now here ball would be there. Arrow would be like this. Because the mirror is this. Correct. Now question number 46 talks about find the mean proportional between 80 and 70. What is mean proportional is? Proportion to. That is mean proportion. Now see, we actually that is x square. Now, if I divide this 72 by 2 and multiply that 2 by 18, I'll get 36 into 36. That is x is equal to 36. Option A is the correct answer. How many 7s are preceded by 9 and followed by 6 in the given series? How many 7s are preceded by 9? Let's find those. 7 preceded by 9. This is there. This is there. And followed by 6. This is there. This is not there. There are two 7s which are followed by 7 and preceded by 7 and followed by 6. So 2 is the correct answer. Easy one. Question number 48. Easy one. Dogs do not bark on the arrival of friends of a family. This is the statement which has been given. When A entered B's house, B's dog started barking. It says B's dog started barking. Correct. Conclusion is A is B's enemy. See, it talks about if there is a friend of the family, he will not bark. But it does not mean when he will bark. So when he is barking, I cannot say anything with a definite conclusion. That is, does not follow from the given statement. Option C would be the correct answer. Okay. 5 girls sitting in a row. Rashi is not adjacent to Grace or Adya. Anu is not adjacent to Grace. Rashi is adjacent to Venus. Either it is Rashi or Venus Rashi. Two possibilities. Venus is in the middle of the row. Venus is in the third. That is one here, two here, one here. Now it says Anu is not adjacent to Grace and Rashi is not adjacent to Grace or Adya. Here Grace or Adya will not be there. So Anu has to be here. Grace or Adya will not be there. So Anu has to be there. Anu is not adjacent to Grace. That is there. Rashi is everything is sorted. Now Anu is adjacent to whom? Anu is adjacent to whom? In both the situations, she is sitting adjacent to Rashi. Option A. Correct. It says in a certain code, the word military is written as this. In the same code, word male will be written as. We just need to derive the codes from the letters MA. M is 0. A's code is 4. I code is 1. And L code is basically 2. 0412. Option 0412. Clear? Next. We have to find in which image this is hidden or this is already there. What we embedded. Let us draw what exactly they are saying. Based upon what I have drawn and what options you have, you can clearly see the one in which it is there. Though I'm not a very good at drawing, but still you can figure that out. So option C is the correct one. Even if you look at option D, clearly say that is not possible. Here it says the left one is up, but here the right one is up. It clearly states. Now question number 54 talks about AP. It says if 2x, x plus 4 and x plus 1 are in AP, then the value of x we need. It clearly states if x plus 4 and x plus 1 are in AP, that means our D, that is common difference, minus, because x plus 4 minus 3 is x plus 1. Correct? So common difference we have found it to be minus 3. Now 2x minus 3 will be equal to x plus 4. So x is equal to 7. Solving it. Option C is the correct answer. Hey guys, looking at the next one. Difference in the place values of 3 used at two places in the number 934530 is 30 is 30 and 34530 is basically 30,000. So difference between 30,000 and 30 is 29,970. That is option A, 2997. Clear guys? Next one. The speed of a train is 88 kilometer per hour. How much time will it take to cross a 180-meter long platform if length of the train is 150 meter? Length of the train is given 150 meter. We need to find the time it will take to cross that platform of 180. Now see, whenever a train is crossing a platform of 180 meter, it is covering its own distance plus the distance of the platform. That is, total distance covered here would be 330 meter and not 180 meter. That is something we have to be very cautious with. Now speed of the train is 88 kmph. Converting 88 into 5 upon 18. Distance upon speed we have to do 330 into 18 on 88 to 5. 4, 1, 6, 4, 2. Is 27 upon 2, 13, 5 seconds. How much time? 13 and a half seconds. Option C, 13 and a half seconds, clearly given. Let's look at any other question is there. No, this was the last question that was there for this paper. So guys, I hope you have basically understood everything what I have solved here, and I'll be bringing more such videos. So do comment in the video, guys. Thank you. See you in the next.